Hi developers, in this video we will learn about JSON.parse and JSON.stringify methods in JavaScript. So firstly comes to JSON.stringify. So it converts a JavaScript object to JSON string. Okay, so the use case of JSON.stringify is JSON string is in the text format and is used to store data in local storage or for sending data over network, example in API call. So if we want to send data in API, so we need to be data in JSON string. Only then we can send data in API. So when we receive the data, so we need to do JSON.parse. So what JSON.parse do? It converts a JSON string to JavaScript object. So the use case of JSON.parse is it parses JSON data received from the API, which is suitable for manipulation in JavaScript code. Like we receive the data from API in string format or text format. So to use that data in our code, we need to make it in JavaScript object so that we can access the properties of object. So for that case, JSON.parse is used. So let's discuss it one by one. Firstly, JSON.stringify. So take one example. First make a user object. Here we have name, say Kashish, age, say 10, active, true. Okay. So this is a JavaScript object. Okay. So if we want to convert it to text format, convert it to JSON string, so we need to stringify it. JSON string, JSON.stringify user. Now if we do console JSON string, so let's check it in the terminal. We will get the data in string format. So here we will get the data in string format. Okay, so this is string format. So JSON.stringify, this method converts the user object into a JSON string. So JSON.stringify, it takes a JavaScript object and converts it into a string format that follows JSON standards. So this string format is used for storing data in local storage or to send data in APIs. So now let's come to JSON.parse. Like JSON string. This is the JSON string. Now we need to convert it into JavaScript object. Let user. We need to do JSON.parse. We need to do console user. So let's check it in the terminal. We are getting output as JSON object. So JSON.parse, this method takes a JSON string and converts it back into a JavaScript object. So it is used to, so JSON.parse passes JSON data received from the API, which is suitable for manipulation in JavaScript code. So this is the use case for JSON.parse. So let's revise it one by one. JSON.stringify, it converts a JavaScript object into a JSON string, and JSON.parse, it converts a JSON string back to the JavaScript object. So this is the concept of JSON.stringify and JSON.parse in JavaScript.